Welcome to Inertia Tours. Travel free. Campus Representative Program. Inertia offers a unique program where if you as a student organize your friends or sorority or fraternity house, you can easily earn a free trip. If you get 14 or more people to go, your trip is free. Step 1. Fill out the interest form on this same web page below with all your contact information. One of our campus representative program managers will contact you. Step 2. Select an appointment time on the calendar link on this page with one of our campus representative program managers for 15 or so minutes on how easy the program is to earn a free trip. Step 3. Pick an Inertia trip for your friends. We offer destinations like South Padre Island, Texas, $399 to $599 per person, you drive down package. Panama City Beach, Florida, $499 to $649 per person, you drive down package. Cancun, Mexico, $699 to $1,299 per person, not including airfare. Los Cabos, Mexico, $749 to $1,499 per person, not including airfare. Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, $699 to $1,299 per person, not including airfare. Nassau, Bahamas, $799 to $1,499 per person, not including airfare. Step 4. Our representative management team sends you an easy attachment to share with your friends on all the trip inclusions, pricing, and deposit and payment information. You will also share the e-flyer on your social media including Instagram, Snap, and TikTok channels. Invite everyone. You get credit for anyone that goes, even if not in your house, group of friends, or even if not on your campus. Doesn't matter. Step 5. You email and text the trip information to your group with a deposit deadline. If you book early enough, the deposit to book is only $40 per person down, then easy equal monthly installment payments. Each person can individually pay. Step 6. Make a list with each person's name, email, and cell phone, even the maybes. Email the list to your representative manager. We then will create a reservation for the group with a unique login and password. Our system will email that out to your entire group to make the deposit by the deadline. Your job will be to remind them via text and email to pay and to check their spam folders for the link to pay. As long as everyone in your group makes deposit by the deadline, your entire group is guaranteed to stay together. Step 7. As we automatically bill for payments, your work is done until a couple weeks before the trip. We then contact you to remind people on final payments and to assist us with rooming people. We do not room your group with anyone random, by the way. As a representative, you do make the one initial deposit of $40. No other money is due from you as a representative. If you have 14 or more people that paid in full, your trip is free. Step 8. Take the trip of a lifetime on us. Any questions? Email at info@inertiatours.com or call 800-821-2176.